thank you for everybody for coming. This is our Solarbration. We appreciate everybody's efforts to be here. Part of the reason we did this was, we just got our first bill and really great to see those savings there, but we also have a fourth generation coming along. We want to be that company that is leading.
We got 410 solar panels up there. We actually have a system that generates electricity not only from the sun coming on top of it, but there's a clear back sheet on these solar panels which reflects off the new roof that you guys installed. And so it's actually making the roof part of the solar system, which is really exciting.
The city really excited about this project and is hoping that this will be a catalyst on other commercial solar projects to be a replica here. Love to see you guys here in the future, and this is a great way to continue that partnership.
You're creating a cleaner community in a town where, it matters. For you guys to be one of the first commercial businesses to do it, it really is a testament to what you guys are as a business and ultimately why people should buy their Jardiniere from here. So.